Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing. So today's tip is going to be pretty simple, but it's often completely overlooked. And the headline of it is going to be label it before you leave it. I'm notorious for this from time to time, but I have to remind myself it's just a constant skill that I have to keep working on. If I create a home for something or a new section for something, in the moment, I remember it. I know exactly what I'm doing. I know where it is. But I have to be honest with you, a week later, 2 months later, I have completely forgotten. And maybe you all have much better memory than I do, but I will say that if I haven't labeled what it is, I'm probably not going to find it. You know, a good example of this is I have these bins in my laundry room, and it's where like a lot of my back stock goes, like some cleaning supplies, things I need just a few times a year. One was mouse traps recently, and I, for the life of me, could not remember where I had put the mouse traps, but they were definitely in my back stock bin. There was extra mouse traps in there, and I didn't know. So don't do what I did. Make sure that when you make these cute little backstock bins, like give yourself a little bit of context to what's in there, give it a label before you leave it, because next winter, when you need to find those mouse traps, we need to know where they are. So that's my tip of the week. Label it before you leave it. Let me know if that resonates with you in the comments, and I will see you next week for another Just the Tip.